questions of figure of speech. Let's see and see the question what we have. Name the figure of speech in the following expression. A citizen of no mean city. Circumlocution, litotus, euphemism, apostrophe. तो ये होगा नो, इसमें यूज किया गया है. हाँ, अ सिटीजन ऑफ नो मीन सिटी, जिसमें हम नो का यूज देखेंगे उसे हम लाइटोटस में लगाएंगे, तो ये हो जाएगा लाइटोटस. द फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इन द एक्सप्रेशन अ सिटीजन ऑफ नो मीन सिटी इज लाइटोटस. बाय दिस फिगर ऑफ स्पीच द स्पीकर emphasize the magnitude of a statement by denying its opposite. An affirmation is conveyed by the negation of the opposite. Here in the expression a citizen of no mean city means one of an illustrious city. Example, he was not unfamiliar, very familiar. Unfamiliar means very familiar with the plays of Shakespeare. Reaching the moon was no ordinary. No ordinary means a great task. Hence नेक्स्ट है हमारा द होल सिटी वेंट आउट टू सी द विक्टोरियस जनरल. मेटोनमी, पन, आयरनी, एपिग्राम. तो ये होगा मेटोनमी, जिसमें किंग, क्वीन, क्राउन का यूज किया जाए उसे हम मेटोनमी से इंडिकेट करते हैं. तो द फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इन द सेंटेंस द whole city went out of see the victorious general is metonymy. The word metonymy means substitution of name. The figure consists in substituting the name of one of the attributes of a thing for the name of thing itself. Thus we may use throne for monarch or monarchy, the bench for the judge, the pen for writing, the sword for soldiers. The whole city represents the people living in the city. Next question है हमारा the poem absence is written by. The poem absence is written by डॉम मोरसे, आर के नारायण, सलमान रुश्दी, जुम्पा लहरी. तो ये होगा डॉम मोरसे, डॉम मोरेस. Which of the following options correctly point out the figure of speech in the line given below? The child is the father of man. तो ये होगा हमारा पैराडॉक्स. द चाइल्ड इज द फादर ऑफ मैन, ये मेटोनमी में भी यूज होता है और ये पैराडॉक्स भी है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा द सन केम अप अपॉन द लेफ्ट आउट ऑफ द सी कम ही. द सन केम अप अपॉन द लेफ्ट आउट ऑफ द सी केम ही एंड ही shone bright and on the right bent down into the sea. Hyperbole, alliteration, onomatopoeia, personification. तो this is personification, जिसमें निर्जीव चीज़ों को सजीव बता दिया जाए तो वहाँ पे हम personification होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा here thou great Anna whom three realms obey dost sometimes counsel take and sometimes tea. These lines are an example of circumlocution, climax, anticlimax, epigram. So this is example of anticlimax. Anticlimax is a figure of speech is sudden transition in discourse from a significant idea to a trivial or ludicrous one. The line here thou great Anna whom is from the Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope. Next question है हमारा if a paradoxical utterance combines two terms that in the ordinary uses are contraries, it is called oxymoron. Which of the following figure of speech is used in the sentence I have read all of Milton? Metaphor, allegory, personification, metonymy. So this is metonymy. The given line I have read all of Milton is an example of metonymy. Metonymy is a figure of speech in which is the act of referring to something by the name of something else that is closely connected with it. Pun. This is pun. What is pun? Pun is the figure of speech that involves a play upon words. Play is an amusing use of a word that can have two meanings or a different words that sound the equi- sound the same.